Bonsoir, messieurs et madame. Today we are going to conjugate the verb aller. In Hindi it is pronounced as ale, and in English it is pronounced as ale. It means to go. Je vais. Tu vas. Elle en va. Nous allons. Vous allez. And elles vont. This means I go, you go, or you are going. I go or I am going. He, she, we is or are going. We go or we are going. You go or you are going. And they go or they are going. Je vais. Tu vas. Elle en va. Nous allons. Vous allez. Elles vont. In English, we pronounce it as je vais. Tu vas. Elle en va. Nous allons. Vous allez. And elles vont. So this is how we pronounce it and this is how we conjugate it. Je vais, tu vas, elle en va, nous allons, vous allez, elles vont. Please repeat after me. Je vais, tu vas, elle en va, nous allons, vous allez, elles vont. In negation, sujet plus na plus verb plus pas and an apostrophe will be formed. Je ne vais pas, tu ne vas pas, elle en ne va pas, nous ne, this will be n'allons pas, vous n'allez pas, elles ne vont pas. I do not go or I am not going. You don't go or you do not go, you are not going. He, she, we is or are not going. we are not going, or we don't go. You are not going or you don't go. Any of the two. And they don't go or they are not going. This is how we conjugate it in negation. Je ne vais pas, tu ne vas pas, ils allons, ne va pas, nous n'allons pas, vous n'allez pas, elles ne vont pas. So now I'm going to take some examples based on these conjugations for your better understanding on how to form sentences in French. So the first one is je ne vais pas au marché. This means I am not going to the market. Second subject pronoun is tu. Tu ne vas pas à l'école. This is pronounced as l'école. This is pronounced as marché. This means you are not going to the school. École means school. Third one is elle. Va, o. Bureau. This means he is going or he goes to the office. He goes to office. This is pronounced as park or park, whatever you want to pronounce, but this one is more appropriate. Park. She goes to, or she is going to park. So the next subject pronoun is en. On ne va pas à la plage. This is feminine singular noun pronounced as plage. We are not going to the beach. Plage means beach. The next one is nous. Again, negation. Nous n'allons pas au cinema. This means we are not going to the cinema. Cinema is masculine singular in French. The next one is vous allez à la banque. This is pronounced as same as in Hindi. This is pronounced as bonk. This is a masculine, feminine. Sorry, this is a feminine singular noun. This means you are going or you go to the bank. Il navopa au restaurant. This is pronounced as restaurant, and this is a masculine singular noun. We will talk about these. I will talk about these contracted articles. There are these contracted articles. I'll make a different video for all of these articles. You will get a context of these articles in that video. It simply means to. This means they. They are not going to the restaurant. So the next subject pronoun is elles vont au café. They are going to the cafe or they go to the cafe. This is pronounced as cafe, and this has two meanings: cafe or coffee. So this is the formation of the verb aller in present tense, in affirmation and negation in the form of sentences with all the subject pronouns. The first one is je ne vais pas au marché, tu ne vas pas à l'école, elle va au bureau, elle va au parc, on ne va pas à la plage, nous n'allons pas au cinéma, vous n'allez à la banque, ils ne vont pas au restaurant, elles vont au café. Please keep on practicing the conjugations of aller in present tense in the form of affirmation and negation both, at least twice a day, so that you are able to memorize these conjugations clearly, because these will be used in the upcoming tenses also when we conjugate the verbs in the passé composé, that is the past tense, and parfait is also past tense, futur simple, futur proche. These conjugations in present tense will be valuable there. So this is all for today. If this video helped you, kindly like the video, please share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu, and please press the bell icon for the future updates. Bonjour les amis.